Now I discuss about the balancing of redox reaction of class 11 using ion electron method. Here an example, that is Fe2 plus MnO4 minus and plus H plus for 2, Fe3 plus Mn2 plus and plus H2O. Now at first we have to consider which one is oxidized and which one get reduced. Here Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, there is the increasing of oxidation number, so it gets oxidized. And for MnO4 to Mn2 plus, the oxygen become eliminate, and only the oxidation number from plus 7 to plus 2 for manganese, so it becomes reduced. So that is reduction. Now what is the procedure for the balancing method? We have to write about the half reaction. That is, I write first reduction, half reaction. That is for MnO4 minus plus MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. Here I balance all the element present in the half reaction. The Mn already balanced. It is there is one manganese and in left side and one manganese in right side, and 4 oxygen present. So we must write 4 H2O. Here I remember the oxygen balance with using water molecule. Now 8 hydrogen we have to balancing. 8 hydrogen must balance with H plus. So 8 H plus I have written left side. And now the charge balance. Now the term turns for charge balance, and the charge present in MnO4 there is -1, and for hydrogen, that is for one hydrogen, that is +1, and as 8 hydrogen present, so it is +8. And in Mn, so on in left side the charge is +7, and in right side the charge is only +2. Now if we for balancing the charge, we must reduce the charge in left side by 5. So we write 5 electron in left side. We must remember the electron I write in that side where the oxidation number has higher, and the number of electron must be the oxidation number how much higher from the other side. And oxidation half reaction is half reaction it is from Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. And here we have must notice the Fe already balanced, because one Fe atom present in left side and one Fe atom present in right side, but here no oxygen and hydrogen present, so we only balance the charge, and here 2 plus in left side and 3 plus in right side, so we have to balance the charge by adding 1 electron in right side. So 1 electron present in right side and 5 electron present in right side in oxidation half reaction, and 5 electron present in left side on reduction half reaction. And the main motive in half reaction or redox reaction is to during balancing is to balance the electron change, because the total reaction always neutral. So we have to multiplying the oxidation half reaction by 5, and reduction half reaction by 1 to balance the electron. So we must multiplying this by 5 and we must multiplying this by 1. After multiplying we get MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron and give Mn2 plus and 4H2O, and after multiplying the oxidation half reaction we get a 5Fe2 plus and 5Fe3 plus 5 electron. So by adding this 5 electron eliminate out and only MnO4 minus plus 5Fe2 plus 8H plus to Mn2 plus 5Fe3 plus 4H2O. This is the method by which I can balance the redox reaction by ion electron method. Thank you.